Starbucks shop. My name is Jill. What can I for you today?
Java chips.
Sorry, Java chip?
Yeah.
Sure, getting 20 size for that?
Grande or 20? Grande lang.
20, grande lang, grande.
Grande, alright.
Ulong tea ba? Ulong. Brew drip.
Oolong tea?
Oh.
Yes, what we do have.
Sige, ulong tea lang.
Getting it 20 size as well?
20, yes.
20, okay.
Dako kayo.
Anything more to add po?
At honey, doon ka honey.
Hot po, hot tea.
Yes, honey.
Okay, 2 drinks lang ka po, no?
Oh, with honey na siya, di ba?
Sorry?
Ang tea ba? At pa honey?
Yes, para kay honey yan po.
Oh, duha.
Ah, sure.
Sige, thank you.
Anything else to add?
Doon mo lang.
Kanilang 2 drinks po.
Yes.
Hi sir, wala na kayo i-add for that?
Okay.
That would be grande Java chip and 1 teaser, no? Zen Clouds. Are we collecting e-stickers?
Ha?
E-stickers po.
Yeah.
Okay. Total will be 355.
So, okay, init pa.
I got you some duhanes
Rice.
and then Java chip.
Thank you.
Orders complete.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks Show. My name is Mars. What can I get for you today?
Usa ka cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Are you retaining the white chocolate cream cappuccino with chips and heavy cream?
Yes.
And what size for this one, Gani?
Brandy.
Just 20 size.
Cappuccino.
Frappuccino. And a 20 size as well?
Yes po.
Alright. Sir, allow me to verify your order lang, sir, ha? You're getting a 20 white chocolate cream frappuccino, add Java chip, and 5 milk and so heavy cream, and 1 bendito peanut crunch frappuccino. Would that be correct?
Okay, that's all right.
Okay. To be clear lang, sir, wala na ni cookies and cream na drinks, but customized na siya na drinks. This is white chocolate cream frappuccino, niya additional lang siya Java chip, and heavy cream niya milk. Okay ra ni mo additional?
Okay lang.
Alright. Sir, total the your transaction is 525. Please have your payment ready na lang, and Stephanie will have your order ready for you.
Thank you.
Salamat, sir. Have a great day.
Scan na.
Gonna get your receipt first.
Morning. Request by commander. Drive-thru Starbucks.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks now. Please, my name is Shari. Can I get your today?
Ganda yung order.
Hello, good afternoon. Parang nakuyawan kasi ako na, miss da.
Strawberry ka?
Coffee is the signature hot chocolate.
Instead of planner, tumbler ang i-choose ni Daddy this time. Completion sa sticker, collection. For a change, tumbler na sa down, dili na katong planner. Ayan. Starbucks, tumbler. Dili na sila gusto sa planner. This one na sad. Okay, kung planner unta ni si Shobe man mo use. Daghan na magud planner mapilian sa DIY.